So recently, you've reached, I think, 1.2 billion in real estate that you have under almost maybe 1.4 billion.
Yeah, 1.4. We'll probably be at be at 2 billion by June of next year.
So when I started following you, were about 400, and this was just a couple of years ago. So you've had a tremendous amount of growth. Have you recognized that you really are revolutionizing the way people raise money in commercial real estate? It's a big disruptor if you look at the way, because it's not a REIT where people are investing and they really don't see what's going on in an opaque investment vehicle. They're actually investing with you, and they're partners with you. They get K1s, and they get depreciation and all the benefits of owning real estate. So it's never been done on a scale.
Never. It's never, ever been done anywhere. I told Ryan Secco this yesterday. I said, Ryan, we're not telling people the story properly. What we're doing at Cardone Capital has never been done on planet Earth, ever. I had a guy tell me this morning, oh man, your promote structure. Our promote structure means how we split things on the profits. Okay, we're 65-35. And he's like, I can get a deal with the Harbor Group, and it's like a 80-20. I'm like, bro, look, what I'm doing has never been done. Don't compare me to somebody else. You can if you want to, but it's not what it is. First of all, the operator matters first. Who's your partner? Who's the partner? Don't look at the numbers first. The first thing you want to look at in every deal is the partner. Who's your partner? Number one, most important thing. Number two, most important thing is the deal we're buying. The deal is what determines, the operator in the deal is what determines how much profit there is. This is what car dealers depend on. Look at the prices, look at the payments, look at the down payment, look at the interest rate. Forget the car. What can you afford? And that's why you end up here, because of the terms. Don't look at the terms first, look at the product you need first, right? First the operator, then the property. And like we're providing, how many of you are invested with me at Cardone Capital? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 in a room. None of you guys? I mean, our goal is to get all of you invested with us. I don't want to sell you books. I want to send you money every month. I want to get you in a financial situation where I'm either sending you money because you invested with me or I'm a partner in your company. Those things are much more interesting to me than selling you a ticket. I'm guaranteed the tickets. Once people invest with me at Cardone Capital, there's no doubt. I send you money every month. You're coming to everything I do. You're praying for me at night. You're in front of a Buddha. Please protect Kranti. He's my guy. Wherever you go in the world, you're going to be like, hey, make sure Grant's taken care of, because now every month I'm connected to you. And so your comment about the type of real estate that we're buying, you cannot buy this. You cannot buy, you will not see these deals. You will not be offered these deals. You will not be offered an opportunity to buy these deals. These deals that we're buying, can you go to Cardone Capital, Johnny? These deals that we're buying are the wealthiest families in America never get them. The billionaire people don't get them. These are institutions that buy these. Allstate, State Farm, MetLife. MetLife owns this kind of stuff. This real estate right here, this deal right here, this deal will never go away. This deal will be around longer than Facebook. 288 units, $67 million. I wrote a check for $17 million on this deal, financed $50 million on my name, not yours. Okay, something goes wrong, I'm responsible for the debt, you're not. I bought the deal before you can even come in. Nobody does that. Nobody in syndication. You agree with that? Okay. This deal right here, Panama City, another deal across the street from it, off market. I was under contract on this deal at 71 million, closed it at 67.5. I started almost $5 million higher than I ended up into contract. So I'm negotiating these deals. Nobody negotiates this deal but me. I find it, I drive it or fly to it. In this case, I flew to it, made an offer on it the same day, put it under contract at 72, and then I spent the next 45 days unwinding that contract so I could buy it at 67. And I also negotiate the debt on it. I think we got 10 years of debt on this at interest only. This deal right here is 504 units, Sunrise. It's 42 minutes from here, maybe not even that. That deal was $140 million. That's a monster. Anybody in this room would live at that property and be like, man, I'm so happy here. We're $200 lower than our neighbor. So I'm gonna take those 500 units, 507 times $200. Yeah, it's $100,000 a month. new income. That I'll get $100,000 of new income out of that property that we didn't have when I bought the deal. Yeah, times 12, divided by, if I was going to go sell it, what could somebody pay me and get? Yeah, exactly, 0.05. It's $24 million of value. I think I'll put I think in the first year, okay, I put $50 million down to buy this deal. Do I believe in it? Sure, man, do I believe in it? Please. I bought this building right here. Do I believe in it? I put this classroom right here. You think I'm going to keep it full? Man, what are people doing? Not what they're saying. What are they doing? See, Warren Buffett says you should buy stocks. He didn't buy any stocks. He didn't buy stocks. And when he does, he buys 101 million shares of them. He doesn't buy stocks. He doesn't diversify. He buys $100 million shares of Apple. That's a commitment. That's not diversification. He's got 24% of Coca-Cola. That's not diversification. That's like chunk. And then drinks them. Every time he does a show, he's drinking Coca-Cola, eating from Dairy Queen on his Apple. And I don't even think he's got an Apple phone, actually. And investing only in cash flow. That's the only thing he buys. That's why I use Warren Buffett's example so much, because I study the guy. But I don't buy stocks. I want some real asset. So these are the kind of things you see me, Johnny, what? Yeah. These are the kind of things I'm doing. And you can't come into these until I do the deal.